Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Automation Labs. This is Shamsevan. Today we are going to download MySQL database and we are going to install MySQL database, Workbench and server together, everything. And another thing is today we are going to download and set up two external databases for our practice in MySQL. So those are different database source. We will practice there. So I will show two ways of installation as well as I'm preparing for this video not only for my students but also everyone who is watching this video. So I will show two ways to download everything. So at first I'm talking about my students who are having access in my classroom. So you will have resources folder in your Wise classroom. So go there, you will find a folder named software. So the number can vary, it can be 5, it can be 6, doesn't matter, but the name is software. So go inside software, you will see MySQL database download. That is currently number 7 folder. Don't click on MySQL sample database. This is the database we will download later, but at first you have to download MySQL database download folder. So that is number 7. Click on it, it will redirect you in a link. So the persons who are not my students, I will paste this link in my video description. So from here, click on this download button for 28.3 M. So just click on this button and then no thanks, just start my download. Click on here. So if you click on there, it will start downloading. So mine one is already downloaded. Someone will have the download thing here, but I'm using IDM software. So if I open this folder, you will see it is in my C drive. So initially your downloads will be in your downloads folder. So suppose, for example, this is the folder you have downloaded. So cut it or copy it, go to this PC, go to local disk C. In local disk C or in your C drive, create a folder, like right click there, click new folder or whatever you, however you want, you can create a folder and name it EAL database. So I have created one and I have named it as EAL, Easy Automation Lab Database. You can give any name, but should be database. Okay, inside that just paste the thing that you have downloaded. So now this is the installer that we have downloaded. Now just double click on it, it's going to open. Click on yes, click on next, click on next, click on yes. Here everything is lined up. Click on execute. So it is getting installed. Wait for installing everything. So wait until everything is completed. Okay. So now everything has downloaded. Now click on next. Again click on next. So here both of the buttons should be clicked on, TCP IP. So it is clicked on. So go to next. Go to next. So here the password should be root, ROOT. So what I write is ROOT. Everything is smaller letter, not capital. Again repeat password ROOT. So, and here click add user. Actually what we are doing, we're setting up a password. We are creating like a user account here. So let me click here, username. For username we can provide admin. Everything should be smaller letter, ADMIN, and that will be one user. Like a database can be used by multiple people, like, right? So here we are creating a user whose name is admin and his password is basically admin. You can create other users as well if you need, but currently we don't need any other users, right? So just click on OK. So here password is also admin, like the same thing, ADMIN. Password is also admin, ADMIN. Everything is smaller. So same thing here, same thing here. Let's click on OK. Go to next. Here, go to next. Yes, grant full access and everything. Go to next. Go to execute. Again everything is executing. Hold on until everything is completed. Well, everything is executed. Now finish. Again next. Now here you are not going to do anything. Press finish. Again next. Here password is, remember it was root and password is also root. So password is also ROOT, root. So write down the password, root. Click on check and click on next. Configure steps. Again execute. Now finish. Again next. So here just click on finish. You don't have to make sure that both of them are clicked on. Just press finish. So yes, it has started. MySQL Workbench has been downloaded. So if you zoom in, so I cannot zoom in, just click on database. You will see there is a database folder, database tab. Click on the database, click on connect to database, and everything is lined up here. So just click on OK. And here it is asking for password. Put the password same, ROOT, root. Save the password involved. You can use that option. Click on OK. So database has started, and there is a schemas tab. If you click on it, you can see default database. So by default you will find three tables or three databases here actually. So now we will download and install two external databases for our better practice. Though these are having some tables in it, but we will learn more efficiently. So we will download two external database. So again, go to my resources folder. Again, my students, go to software folder again from resources folder. So here, now number 8 and number 9 we will download, and we will keep it in the same folder in C drive that we have created few while ago. So just click on it, number 8, it will come in this link. So I will put this link in my description as well for everyone, so that you can download and set up too. So click on code, click on download zip. So you will find this option, click on here. So again, it's gonna take you to the folder. So I will navigate to my EAL database folder. Here I want to keep all my databases together so that it becomes arranged. So save it, click on start button. It has downloaded, so don't bother about it. It is downloaded already. Now close this tab. We don't need this tab right now. So now again, now in software folder, number 9, MySQL sample database. Click on it. So you will come to a drive link. I will share this link in my description as well. So just click on this button here, the top. Click on this button. Again, download it in the same folder. Just save it. Now I'm just going to that folder where I have downloaded everything. So these are the 2 folders that we have downloaded now. Well, now as we have installed MySQL and downloaded to external databases, actually we can use MySQL database from my MySQL Workbench. But if you want to use anything from your command prompt, so what is command prompt? Click here in the search bar, write cmd, click on command prompt. So in this with this command prompt, you can run so many things. You can run your databases, you can run JavaScript, you can run Maven, you can run Java, you can do so many things. So but if you want to do anything with this command prompt, you have to do some procedures. You have to edit your environmental variable. So how to do that? Let's go step by step. It's easy. So actually, at first, what do I want to do right now? I want to run my MySQL from my command prompt as well. So I have to locate MySQL folder where I have installed it. So it is easy. You can go to your local disk C, go to your program files, not 86, just program files. Here it's supposed to be there. Here, MySQL. Go to, there are so many things. So go to MySQL server, go to bin, and yeah, just you will see there is a path. So click on anywhere, like it is my search path. It is my path. Click on the blank space beside bin, or you can click on this folder icon also. Click on folder icon, just copy it. Now what you need to do, you have to click on here, go to settings from the search bar. Like I have gone to search bar, write settings here, SETT, okay, settings app. Click on here, write environmental. If you write up to this, you will see edit system environmental variables, edit environmental variables for your account. Click on this one for your account. So you will see path here, you will see path here. Click on path, select path and click on edit. If you come here, you will see a new button. Click on new. Now you can paste the path directly. You can paste the path directly. Else you can do that. Else you can browse it from here as well. Browse localhost C, program files, MySQL and MySQL server, and then bin. Yeah, that's pretty much of it. So I have same thing. I can directly copy paste here, or I can just like this, so delete one. So actually, if you want to run anything from your command line, you have to add the bin folder here in this path. Click on OK, again click on OK. Fine. Now sometimes what happen after adding anything in your like environmental variables, the application stops at the back. So what we can do right now, like go to search service again, click on search and click on here write services, click on services. From here you can search for MySQL, so click anyone and then write my, so MySQL 80. So if you just increase it a bit, you are watching it is running. That means it haven't stopped. So make sure it haven't stopped. If it is stopped here, then click on right click and start from here. So cool, we are set up to now. So now our MySQL is completely configured. Now what do you have to do? We have to here we are not going to do anything. We have to install our external databases. So I'm just minimizing on it. Like here in my schema section there are only 3 databases. So now let's go to download folder where we have downloaded everything. Like that was in my localhost C, in my EAL database. So 2 databases are here. So I will install 2 different databases in 2 different way. So at first test db, let's extract to test db master. I mean extract this thing in a folder. So this is the actual folder, and at first let's install it in one way. So suppose this is actually my actual database, employees.sql. I want to install it. So it is inside testdb master folder. Let's install it. So as we are going to install this file, so this file is inside this path. Path means inside this folder, then this folder, then this folder, then this folder. So this is the correct way to come up to this. So I have to again click on this folder icon, copy this path. So then what you need to do is run command prompt here or cmd. So you will see command prompt. I have written cmd here. So again cmd, command prompt is here, but don't open it from here, open it from run as administrator. Click on it. So if you click on it, you will see a yes button, press yes, then it will come up to here. Now here you have to tell this command prompt, please go to this path, go to this testdb master folder, so that you can see this thing. So at first I will send, actually my command prompt is now in this folder, C drive, Windows System 32. So now I want to send my command prompt to this folder. So what I have to do is just clicking on this yellow button again, like as I have copied it already, but for showing you now I'm copying it again. So I am writing cd and a space, and I'm pasting it and pressing enter. Now see, my command prompt has gone to this folder now. C drive, EL database, testdb master, and testdb master folder. And now he can see this thing, right? Now, what you have to do is you have to check the name. Spelling should not, there shouldn't be any spelling mistake. So this is employees.sql. So what I will do here, I will now write MySQL, MySQL space dash u space ROOT username. That is my username and that is my password as well. So P dash T sorry, for after P, suppose dash P and again space dash T and space greater than space. Here be careful, type the database name perfectly so that there is no mistake. EMPLOYEES dot SQL. Press enter button now and it is asking for password. Here the password will be root, ROOT. Same thing, we know that username is root and password is also root. So then click on enter. So okay, some issues. Well, if you see this thing, again put the password root, same thing. I have put the password, here I did mistake. Okay, I did a spelling mistake. There are 5 characters, so the password will be root. So let me write it down for you. The password will be root, ROOT. I did mistake before, that's why it has given me an error. So okay, so now that is the thing you need to do. So you will see data load time of difference, something like that. That means your database has been installed. So just close it. So this is the one way. You can set up another database in the same way as well. So if you come here, if you come to your Workbench, if you press refresh, see employees database has been, employees database is already here now. So this was one way. Another way is way too easier. So we have set up one database. We can set up another database, like, so this one we have installed, set up employees, and that is classic model. We have to extract again. So Windows 11 user maybe will find show more options, then maybe they can see these things. So whatever, after extracting you will see this folder. So from CMD, again by following the same process, we can install the same thing, but let's do it in a easier way. So click, go to MySQL Workbench again. So this is Workbench. From here, go to server, go to data import, and in this data import section, I'm just dragging it right. I have dragged this, it was like that, so I am just dragging it right side. So yeah, from here you can do one thing. So here is a start import button. Just check, drag it down and check, you can see start import button or not. So if it is, so import from self-contained file, we are not going to select it. Select this one, click on this 3 dot navigate to that database, like database folder. So this PC, from here select this PC, go to local disk C, EAL database. We have installed it, this one already. Now we can install this MySQL database.sql. Double click on it, click on start import. So now it is importing and it is imported. So now you don't have to do anything here. You can click on this cross button here, so close it. Yes, now here we cannot see the database, but same thing, you just have to refresh it. Click on this refresh button. Cool, classic model is here. We could have installed employees database in the same way, like in this easier way, but I have shown you two tricks, two ways, so that you can, if anything disturbs, you can install with the other way. So any database you can install in these two ways. Okay guys, thank you. These are all. Bye bye. Take care.